Hey guys, we're back again. This time we're replacing the rear wheel hub on this 2010 Acura TSX. So I would say that this job is fairly simple. If you can replace brake and rotors, then you can do it.
You can do it!
We're gonna do everything like it's a brake job. We're gonna remove the brake caliper and your brake pads and your brake caliper bracket. Now we're removing the brake caliper bracket. And now we're going to remove the brake rotor. See, fairly simple. Now, if you look behind it, you're going to see 4 bolts. These 4 bolts are holding on the wheel bearing. You see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 17mm bolts. So we're going to break it loose first with the ratchet. They're really tight, so make sure you get something that's long with good, so you can get good leverage on it. Then we're gonna just speed them out of there with the battery ratchet. You don't need this tool; it just helps speed things up. Okay, and now you just pull it off. That simple. On some cars, they get rusted on there. Also clean it off. On some cars it gets stuck on there, so sometimes you gotta use a slide hammer or a regular hammer and beat it out. I got lucky, it wasn't stuck in there. So now put the new one back on, make sure it fits in there nice and snug, and then we're gonna start putting the bolts back in the back. So everything goes back in reverse order. You know, lately I've been talking a lot of shit about Snap-on and some useless tools that they have and how expensive they are. But I do use them a lot. Sponsor me.